Hello, Dekoni friends. Today, we're going to show you how to change the pads on your HD800. Right now, the headphone is wearing our Elite Velour pads, which sound the most like stock, except the padding is a little bit thicker, and they offer the most breathability of all our pads. We're going to try upgrading to our hybrid pads. Included with every set of pads is some picture instructions, but we're going to demonstrate them for you now. First, take this pry tool, which is called a spudger, and wedge it between the pad and the frame of the headphone. Look for the L marker, pry a little gap here, and use that gap to twist it out, and it just comes right off. Pretty fast. Let's show it again. Gap, slide the gap, and the pad comes off. Pretty easy. You'll notice that we took out Sennheiser's stock ear lining that protects the driver against hair and dust. You can use ours or theirs, it's personal preference. Next, let's clip on our Elite Hybrid pads. You just want to make sure that you match up that D shape with the shape of the ear cup and carefully clip it on. Watch that slow rebound memory foam in action. Now when you're clipping it on, you want to make sure that you don't put your fingers against the HD800's steel mesh, and you want to make sure that there's no gaps or seams anywhere on the headphone. And then that's it. You're all done.